In this video, we want to prove that for all integers a, b, and c with c greater than 5, if c doesn't divide a plus 5b, then c does not divide a or c does not divide b. We're going to prove this by proving the contrapositive. So we're going to assume that c divides a and c divides b, and then we want to prove that c divides a plus 5b. So starting off with c divides a and c divides b, that means that there exist integers m and n such that a is c times m and b is c times n. So now let's consider a plus 5b. We'll replace a with cm and b with cn, and we get cm plus 5 times cn. They both have a c in common, so we can factor that out, and we'll have c times the quantity m plus 5n. And so remember that this is equal to a plus 5b. So c divides c times the quantity m plus 5n, therefore it also divides a plus 5b. And so what we've shown is that if c divides a and c divides b, then c divides a plus 5b. So by the contrapositive, if c does not divide a plus 5b, then c does not divide a or c does not divide b. And so that completes the proof.